What if I told you that last year, people spent a staggering 5.7 trillion online? Yet, many aspiring entrepreneurs are making the same three mistakes that prevent them from claiming their share of that massive market. Let's dive into how to start an e-commerce business in 2025 the right way, so you can avoid the costly pitfalls that cause 90% of online stores to fail before they even make a sale. First, let's talk about market research. This is where most people go wrong. You can't just choose a product because you think it's cool. You need to identify your target audience. Who are you selling to? What age group are they? What problems do they face? Next, analyze your competition. What are they doing well? What gaps can you fill? Finally, validate demand. Are people actively searching for and buying what you want to sell? Use tools like Google Trends and check out your competitors' social media to see what's resonating with their audience. This 30 minutes of research could save you thousands. Once you've nailed your research, it's time to choose your products and create a simple business plan. And I mean simple. Your business plan should outline your target market, your unique selling proposition, what makes you stand out, your marketing strategy, and basic financial projections. Think of it as your roadmap, not a lengthy novel. When selecting products, focus on solving a specific problem for a specific group of people. Remember, the riches are in the niches. Now, let's get into the technical side. You need three essentials: a domain name, hosting, and an e-commerce platform. Keep your domain simple, brandable, and memorable. For hosting, platforms like Wcart or Shopify make it easy, even if you're not tech-savvy. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly. Over 70% of online shopping happens on mobile devices. Keep your design clean, navigation straightforward, and loading times fast. Here's where many people lose money: boring product descriptions and poor quality photos. Your product listings need to sell. Focus on benefits, not just features. Instead of saying waterproof watch, say never worry about rain ruining your workout again. Use high-quality images from multiple angles, and if possible, include videos that showcase the product in action. Remember, customers can't touch your product, so your visuals and descriptions must do the heavy lifting. Pricing can make or break your business. Research your competitors, but don't just mimic them. Consider your costs, desired profit margin, and value proposition. Sometimes being the cheapest isn't the best strategy. Being premium can work if you can justify the value. Test different price points to see what converts best. Now, let's get customers through the door. You need a multi-channel approach: social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. Start with organic social media to build your brand, then add paid ads once you know what works. Facebook and Google ads are great starting points, but don't spread yourself too thin. Master one channel before moving to the next. And remember, customer service is marketing. One happy customer tells three friends. One unhappy customer tells everyone. Finally, track everything. Monitor your website traffic, conversion rates, and customer lifetime value. If you can't measure it, you can't improve it. Use Google Analytics and your platform's built-in analytics to continuously optimize your business. The most successful e-commerce businesses never stop refining their strategies. Starting an e-commerce business isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's absolutely achievable if you follow this roadmap. The store owners making real money today weren't necessarily smarter than you. They just took action. Your customers are out there right now, likely buying from someone else because you haven't opened your doors yet.